Welcome to this installation video for the RailBlazers aluminum railing picket system. In this video, we are going to show you just how easy it is to install a high-quality, durable, and virtually maintenance-free railing system. First, let's take a look at the tools and safety equipment you will need to successfully install the picket system. Now, let's get started. Measure and mark the position of all posts and space them equally, making sure the space between the posts is no more than 6 feet for single-family detached houses. For all other applications, please check with our customer service team for required post spacing. Ensure the measurement is from the center of the first and last post. We have 4 types of posts. Each of these is installed in the same way. The first step of installation is where we fasten the first post into position, ensuring that the post is plumb. Mark the location of the holes to be drilled using the post base as a template. Then, drill the holes for the anchoring fasteners. The size of the hole will depend on the type of fasteners used for your specific deck structure. Move the post back into position and use a drill with the appropriate socket to secure the post to the deck using 4 fasteners. Once the first post is secured, temporarily position the second post, but do not secure it yet. Cut the hand and base rails to fit between the posts. Insert the hand and base rails into the first post and attach using self-drilling screws. Then install the base rail support into the bottom channel of the base rail and insert all but the last 4 spacers into each rail. Now, insert the rails into the second post, but do not fasten the rails to the second post yet. Slide the first spacer in each rail against the first post, then insert a picket into the base rail and swing the top of the picket into the handrail. Repeat these steps until you can no longer install pickets due to the second post being in the way. Slide the base rail support towards the second post and remove the second post that was temporarily in place, and install the last few pickets and spacers. It's important to note that the distance between pickets and between a post and a picket must never exceed 3 15/16 inches. To ensure equal picket spacing at each post, cut the first and last spacers in the hand and base rails to equal lengths. Drill fastener holes for the second post, then move the post into position and fasten it to the deck surface, ensuring that the post is plumb. Once the post is fastened, secure the rails to the second post with self-drilling screws and move the base rail support to the center of the base rail and secure the base rail support to the deck surface. Now repeat these steps to install each remaining railing section. Please refer to our installation guide for more details. If your railing system has stairs, angled sections, is attached to a wall or between existing posts, you can use our universal connector or wall mount bracket. The universal connector can be used for installing stairs if you use it vertically, or for angles on your deck if you use it horizontally. As a design option, decorative spacers are available as an alternative to our regular spacers. Congratulations on successfully installing your railing system. RailBlazers aluminum railing systems are available in a variety of options to suit your architecture and landscape environment. 6-inch glass panel kits, large glass panels, standard pickets, wide pickets. We also carry options for gates and stairs. Please visit our website for further information and enjoy your RailBlazers aluminum railing system.